To my video on discount. So discount is the amount of money subtracted from the original price. So in other words, when you get a discount, you're paying less money. So it's money taken off of the normal price. So some discount words that you might see is amount of discount. So if it says what is the amount of discount, they're not asking for the total, they're just asking for the discount or the part. And they might say amount saved. So if you see these two phrases, all you're doing is calculating just the discount, not the total. Now, if you see these phrases, they're looking for the total, which means to subtract. So if you see discounted price, you're going to first find the discount and then subtract to get the total. You would also do that if it asks for sales price. Okay, let's look at our first example. I said Elsa bought a hat that was originally priced at $21.50. How much discount? How much is the discount if the hat is 25% off? So I want to know how much the discount is, so I'm looking for the part. So we're going to do X over 21.50 equals 25 over 100. 100 times X is 100X. And 25 times 21.50 is 537.5. The opposite of multiplication is division. So we're going to divide both sides by 100. 100 divided by 100 is a 1 in disguise. And this will give us 5.375. But I need to round that because money only has 2 places after the decimal. So underline the hundreds place and look to the right. If it's 5 or above, give it a shove. And so this is $5.38. And so do we answer the question? We most certainly did. We just found the discount. I did not have to subtract because I did not want to know the total. Okay, turn to the back. And let's look at some more examples. Number 1 says, what is the sale price? Underline that, of a $57 tennis racket that's on sale for 20% off. So I want to know the sale price. So I want to know the total. But I can't find the total unless I know what the discount is. So I need to find the part first. So we're going to do X over 57 equals percent over 100. Okay, 100 times X is 100X. 20 times 57 is 1,140. The opposite of multiplication is division. So I divide both sides by 100. 100 divided by 100 is a 1 in disguise. And 1,140 divided by 100 is $11.40. But remember, this is just the discount, and I wanted to know the sale price. So now I have to take the discount away from the amount for the tennis racket. So $57 minus $11.40. 0 minus 0 is 0. I can't do 0 minus 4, so I borrow from the 7, make it a 6. Make that a 10. 10 minus 4 is 6. Bring down the decimal. 6 minus 1 is 5. And 5 minus 1 is 4. So it's $45.60. Number 2, what is the amount of discount on a $95 necklace that's 40% off? So I want to know the amount of discount, so I need to find the part. And I'm just going to find the part. I don't have to subtract here because I just want the discount. So percent over 100 So 100 times x is 100x. 40 times 95 is 3,800. We're going to divide both sides by 100. 100 divided by 100 is a 1 in disguise. 3,800 divided by 100 is $38. And that is my final answer because it just wanted to know the amount of discount. Number 3. Tyler bought a guitar that originally cost $155. It was on sale for 25% off. What is the discounted price? So if you remember from the chart, discounted price was a total word, so I'm going to subtract once I find the discount. So I have to find the part first. So we're going to put x over the cost, so part over whole, equals percent over 100. So when I solve this, this is just going to tell me the discount. So 100 times x is 100x. 25 times 155 is 3,875. The opposite of multiplication is division, so we're going to divide both sides by 100. 100 divided by 100 is a 1 in disguise. And 3,875 divided by 100 is $38.75. So that should say $38.75. Now, I want to know the discounted price, so now I have to subtract the cost minus the discount. I can't do 0 minus 5, I can't do 0 minus 7. So I have to borrow from the 5, make it a 4. This becomes a 10, but then I have to borrow from the 10 and make it a 9 and make this a 10. Now I can do 10 minus 5, and 9 minus 7 is 2. Bring down your decimal. I can't do 4 minus 8, so I got to borrow from the 5, make it a 4, and make this 14. 14 minus 8 is 6. 4 minus 3 is 1. And 1 minus nothing is 1. So it's $116.25. Okay, let's look at our last and final example. And this one is a slightly more challenging than the other ones. Right now, jeans and t-shirts are 25% off and sweatshirts are 50% off without tax. What is the total price of 2 pairs of jeans, 3 t-shirts, and 1 sweatshirt? Okay, so I need to do a 25% off discount on the jeans and the t-shirt and a 50% discount on the sweatshirt. So we're going to do the jeans and t-shirt first. I notice I'm buying 2 pairs of jeans at $36 each. So I'm going to do 2 times 36. So that means I spent $72 on the jeans. And we're going to buy 3 t-shirts at $16 each. So I'm going to do 3 times 16, which is 48. And now I'm going to add that up to give me the cost of the jeans and the t-shirt. And we're going to figure out what the discount is, or the total price is, for $120 with 25% off. So we're going to do X over cost because we need to find the discount first, and percent over 100. 100 times X is 100X, and 25 times 120 is 3,000. The opposite of multiplication is division, so we're going to divide by 100. 100 divided by 100 is a 1 in disguise. So we find that the discount is $30. And we're going to do we're going to need to subtract the discount, so 120 minus 30. I can't do, 0 minus 0 is nothing. Borrow from the 1, make this a 12, and 12 minus 3 is 90. So we know that the total price of the jeans and t-shirt is $90. Now we're going to do sweatshirt over here. And we don't actually have to set up a proportion for this one. The sweatshirt is half off. So we're going to take half of 28. And we know that half of 28 is just 14. I just divide it by 2. And then we need to find the sale price, which is just 28 minus 14, which is $14. Did I really need to do subtraction in that case? No, because it was half off, so I knew it was going to be half that price. So $14. And we know that this is 90, so we're going to do our last and final step. We need to find the total cost of 2 pairs of jeans, 3 t-shirts, and 1 sweatshirt. So I'm going to add the cost of the jeans and the t-shirts to the 1 sweatshirt. So 90 plus 14. 4 plus 0 is 4. And 9 plus 1 is 10. So it's $104. That concludes our notes on discounts. I hope you have a great day.